December 3rd marks the solemnity of St Francis Xavier, the patron of India, a revered saint whose life and mission shaped the faith journey of millions. St Francis Xavier was one of the first 7 Jesuits who, in 1534, took vows of poverty and chastity alongside St Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Society of Jesus. He sowed the seeds of Christianity in India during the 16th century, following the path laid by St Thomas the Apostle in Canara. Francis Xavier initiated the first lay missionary catechists from India, giving them a manual to guide their identity and formation. Often referred to as the greatest missionary since St. Paul, St. Francis Xavier spread the gospel not only in India but across Sri Lanka, Japan, Borneo, and China. His incorruptible body lies in the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa, India's first minor basilica. The silver casket displays 32 plates depicting the life of this great saint. On this solemnity, we honor St. Francis Xavier, a beacon of faith and missionary zeal, whose legacy continues to inspire the faithful across the world. St. Francis Xavier, pray for us.